What's up, online shoppers? If you need a great snow brush for your car, I just found this one and I think it's pretty awesome. This is a multifunctional snow shovel and brush. So it's a 2-in-1 package. Let's open it up out of the box and see what you get and see why you want to have this one in your trunk or the back of your car. What this set gives you is a really nice compact set that will take up very little real estate in your car, but yet be very helpful in the winter months. With this set, you get a snow brush and scraper, and you get a shovel. This is really versatile because you can go from a short scraper to a long scraper. And I love how this head pivots like this. So you can use it this way, and you can open it up and use it that way. And of course it folds so that it's more compact. Here's the scraper end of it. It's a nice wide scraper, so you'll be able to cover a lot of surface area of the windshields with this. This is the thing that kind of makes this set unique. This is the multifunctional handle. So it's going to work either with your brush and scraper or with your emergency shovel. So if I want to turn this into an emergency shovel, all I have to do is attach this end here, and it goes in with a clip right there. Now I can extend this to a different length. It has a really nice aluminum tip, which makes this a good sturdy shovel. And with this end here, you take the handle and clip it into place. So there you have our shovel, just like that. So the handle has a nice tilt to it, so it's comfortable for holding on to. There's a really nice memory foam padding on the handle for gripping when you're shoveling, and it's adjustable. You've got 3 different lengths, and it'll click into each length, just like that. So it's going to be really helpful if you have to dig out. Also a nice little shovel to have around the house. Now, if you don't need a shovel and instead you need the scraper, all you have to do is flip it over. There's a little button right here, so you depress the button so you can detach the shovel blade from the shaft, and then flip it over here. Same thing, depress the button to depress the shovel handle from the shaft, and now we'll turn it into a scraper. So we've got this, clicks into place. We've got the scraper, clicks into place, and now our shovel has been transformed into a really nice multifunctional scraper that you can of course extend for great length or leave shorter for storage. And as well, you can even depress this button as I showed you before and change the angle of it. It also has a really nice squeegee for getting the frost off, and I'm super impressed with it. I don't know about you, but I think this is an ideal set to have in your car for emergency purposes. I love the compact nature of it. I love that I don't have to have a separate scraper and shovel. I can just use it for what I need it and then store all the pieces together. This is super handy. I think this is going to be a family favorite at my house.